In today's video, we're going to explore 3 of the best background eraser apps for Android. Whether you want to create stunning images or remove unwanted objects, these apps have got you covered. Let's get started. Background Eraser, Remove BG. Background Eraser, Remove BG is a highly popular app that allows users to effortlessly remove backgrounds from their photos. The app features a user-friendly interface and precise tools that enable users to erase backgrounds manually or automatically. With options to zoom in for detailed editing, it helps ensure clean edges around the subject. Additionally, users can save images in PNG format with a transparent background, making it perfect for creating custom graphics or stickers. Overall, this app is excellent for anyone looking to enhance their images by focusing on the main subject. Background Eraser, BG Remover. Background Eraser BG Remover offers a straightforward and effective way to remove backgrounds from images. The app provides both automatic and manual erasing options, allowing users to choose the method that best suits their needs. Users can easily add just the sensitivity of the tools for more precise results. The interface is intuitive, making it suitable for beginners. After removing the background, users can save their edited images in high quality, making it useful for various creative projects. With its helpful features, this app is a great choice for anyone looking to create clean, professional-looking images. Magic Eraser, Remove Objects. Magic Eraser, Remove Objects is a versatile app that not only helps users remove backgrounds, but also lets them erase unwanted objects from their photos. The app offers an easy-to-use interface with tools designed for precise editing. Users can simply highlight the area they want to remove, and the app will intelligently erase it. This feature is particularly useful for cleaning up photos or removing distractions. Users can also add just the level of undo or redo actions for better control during the editing process. Magic Eraser is a valuable tool for anyone wanting to refine photos and make them look more polished. Thank you for watching our video on the best background eraser apps for Android. We hope you found the perfect app to enhance your photo editing skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.